You'll never throw away onion skin after watching this. The internet is teeming with all sorts of life hacks, but I bet you've never come across this one. We should all aim to reduce household waste since it saves money and protects the environment. And if you could put that waste to good use, that's even better. Onions are a staple ingredient in many popular recipes. They provide a much-loved punch of flavor to any dish, but the peel? Yeah, that's completely useless. Or is it? There are some surprising ways onion peels can be helpful. They definitely have layers to them. After watching this video, you'll never want to throw them away again. Number 1. Induce sleep? No, you don't place them on your bedside table. That's just making your room messy. You use onion peels to make tea. The peel is rich in L-tryptophan, an amino acid that acts as a mild natural sedative. Just pour some boiling water over some onion skins and let it sit for 15 minutes. And before you go to bed, sip on the tea to calm your nerves and help put you to sleep faster. Number 2. Make a hair toner. Onions are loaded with sulfur, which is great for hair treatments. It makes dull hair shiny, helps with volume, and even helps grow hair in any places you've got sneaky bald spots. To make it, fill a small saucepan halfway with water and boil the onion peels in it. When the water turns brown, turn off the heat and let it cool down before transferring it to a spray bottle. Next, spray it over your entire scalp and maybe give it a little massage to get the blood flowing. After a few minutes, rinse it out and shampoo as usual. Bam! Healthy, shiny hair. Number 3. Dotty Easter eggs. Come Easter, the worry is usually about whether or not the paints will harm the eggs. In that case, natural dyes are your best option. And if you can't be bothered to buy expensive, organic, natural dyes, just take a look in your pantry. Onion skin makes a perfect natural dye. Just put the onion peels in a saucepan and add in a generous amount of water. Let it boil for a bit, and then simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes until you see a lovely color form. Then, take a spoon and very gently drop the eggs into the natural dye. Let them sit in the water for 30 minutes to an hour, and you'll have beautiful Easter eggs ready for that annual egg hunt. Just remember that the longer you let them soak, the darker the color will be. Number 4. Make onion skin fertilizer. There's nothing like a healthy dose of potassium for your garden. Fortunately, onion peels have an abundance of this stuff. A potassium-rich fertilizer will keep your plants healthy, resistant to disease, and growing beautifully. Just take a bowl of onion peels and soak them in a liter of water for 24 hours. Then take that liquid and store it in a jar. 3 to 4 times a month, feed this mixture to your plants, both indoors and outdoors. Just make sure you don't overfeed them. Number 5. Relieve a sore throat. Is there anything more frustrating than a sore throat? Sore throats are usually due to infections or some environmental factor. Whatever it is, it makes your throat feel dry, itchy, and irritated. But there's a quick fix. All you have to do is boil some onion peels in water for a few minutes and let it cool. Then, strain the mixture and gargle with the liquid or drink it if you can take the taste. Onion peels contain nutrients that help a sore throat. Not only that, they can help if you have a common cold, or if you just want to boost your immune system. Number 6. Relieve itchy skin. Ever had an itch that just annoyed the shit out of you? Well, onion peels can actually help with that, too. Being rich in vitamins A, C, and E, the peels are great for calming skin rashes, inflammation, and of course, itchiness. It also helps that they're loaded with several immunity-boosting antioxidants. If you've got an itch, just rub some onion skin over the affected area, and you'll be good. Number 7. Reduce cramps. Got an especially bad period? Or maybe you spent the entire day yesterday moving furniture. Whatever the case, cramps are an uninvited guest that needs to go. The good news is that onions also have anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve cramps. Just boil the peels in some water for 10 to 20 minutes and drink it like tea before bed, and you won't be waking up in the middle of the night with any cramps. Number 8. Make your own vegetable stock. Stock not only brings a wonderfully concentrated flavor to any dish, but it also helps turn scraps that might otherwise go to waste into a delicious, super ingredient. Instead of throwing out your onion peels, save them and add them to your homemade veggie stock for a rich onion flavor and all the benefits of its immunity-boosting properties. When your stock is done, strain it and use it as a base for soups and sauces or braising liquid for meat and vegetables. Number 9. Boost flavor of homemade bread. If you like baking your own bread, you should definitely try enhancing its flavor with onion peels. Next time you start baking, just mince some onion peels into a fine powder and add a teaspoon of it to your dough. It's a great way to get its health benefits while also enjoying its lovely flavor with your eggs and sausages in the morning. So next time you're peeling vegetables, keep this list in mind and incorporate onion peels into your food and daily routines. Do you have any other unexpected uses for onion skins? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.